Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So I have this car in here, this Honda CR-V. It's due for an oil change. Oil life's 15% left. That's when Honda recommends you replace the oil in their vehicles. Now, it's got 79,344 miles on it. The last time it was in for service, I wrote the oil change sticker due for 76,000 miles. So that would have been a 5,000 mile interval. That's what I write on for the oil change sticker on my car. And that's what I write to my customers. So if they want to go by the oil change minder, that's fine. However, in my professional opinion, today's vehicles, they have a high pressure fuel injection system that forces the fuel into the cylinders and it thins the oil out greatly. And also, it's been over 5,000 miles. Like by my sticker here, it's been like over 3,000 miles over. So it's been 8,000 miles, almost 9,000 miles since its oil change last when I did it. So you're kind of asking for trouble with these vehicles, and especially with this vehicle. It has a turbo in it. And I guarantee you when I drain the oil out of this thing, it's going to be black and thin as anything. So honestly, you want your car to last. You can go by what the manufacturer recommends, but are they going to be there for you after the warranty expires and your engine seizes or something worse happens simply because you serviced it the way they told you to? Think about it. Anyway, talk to you later.